Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add USDT BEP20 to Trust Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. In order to do this, you just have to launch your Trust Wallet application. And here, in order to add USDT based on BEP20 network, you just have to tap on this circle in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you have searched for USDT, you will be able to see USDT based on various types of networks. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to get USDT based on the BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20 network. So in order to add it on the home page, you just have to turn on the toggle button right next to it. Now, once it turns green, it simply means that you have successfully added it on the home page of the Trust Wallet. Now, if you tap on it, you will be able to get access to various types of options associated with it. Like you can send it, you can receive it, you can swap it with any other cryptocurrencies, and you can even buy and sell it directly on the Trust Wallet. So that's basically how you can add USDT BEP20 to Trust Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.